Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I have a little goodie to share with you. It's not a true unboxing, but I thought it would be fun to open this with you. I stopped by Louis Vuitton today because my SA texted me and said it's almost Lunar New Year and I should come swing by and pick up the red envelopes. So I don't really celebrate Lunar New Year, but I thought this was really fun and I've never picked up any of the red envelopes before. I know that they are reserved for VIP customers, and I certainly don't feel like a VIP customer. I certainly don't spend like a VIP customer. I have only purchased a few items from Louis Vuitton in the last year, but I honestly feel like the SAs at the boutique reserve these for their favorite customers, the ones they really like, not necessarily the ones that spend the most money. So I thought it was super sweet that Janet, my SA, reached out to me and just said, hey, come swing by. I'm holding on to these for you. Because like I said, it's not like I've spent a ton of money with her or with Louis Vuitton. And I'm sure there are plenty of other true VIP clients that they have. But I guess if I was working as a sales associate, I would do the same thing as her. I would reserve these for just the customers that I like, and the ones that are polite and friendly and nice to deal with and not necessarily be all about the money. So I certainly appreciate this. It's super cute. It's got this really bright red color with the gold lettering here. I'm not sure. I guess I just pull this out. Like I said, this is my first time. I know some people collect these or they actually use them. So for anyone out there who does celebrate Lunar New Year, I know you would probably put some cash in here and hand them out. My son actually received two red envelopes from school today from his Chinese friends, which I thought was really sweet. So there's actually quite a few in here, and because this is the year of the rat, there is an image of the rat here. Last year was the year of the pig, and each envelope is the same and it has Louis Vuitton on it. And then a small little detail here on the back where the flap of the envelope is, there's this gold LV stamping. So yep, it's just simple. And because I am Korean, we also have traditions where we exchange money, typically on January 1st. On the calendar New Year's Day, we have sort of a respectful bowing tradition, and then the elders normally prepare envelopes. They're not necessarily red envelopes, but just envelopes with cash, and they give them out to their children, grandchildren, nieces and nephews and such. So we did do that this year. We went to my parents' house and we did the bowing. It's called chol in Korean, and I'm not quite sure what the Chinese tradition is for Lunar New Year other than the red envelopes, but if you are Chinese and you celebrate Lunar New Year, I'd love for you to share your experience down below in the comments so we could all learn. But I thought this was super pretty. Let's see how many are in here. Maybe it said it on the packaging, but I didn't see. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Wow, it's 12. So there's a full dozen in here. Yep, here we go. So maybe I will use these to hand out cash to my younger cousins or my nephews. I only have nephews, I don't have nieces, or maybe to my 2 children in the future. But I thought this was really neat, and I know that all of the designer houses do this, and each year it's slightly different. And I know Dior participates and Hermes participates, and they're just, I think it would be super fun to go around and collect them. But then again, you'd have to be a regular customer for a sales associate to be willing to give these out to you. So I just wanted to share, whenever I get something new or exciting, the first thing I think of is to share with you guys, because I want to spread my excitement and also anything new that maybe others are not familiar with or don't already have. I just like to share so you can kind of learn along with me. And there you have it. Just close this up. Yeah, it's a really nice, neat little box. I can probably use this box for something else, even if I take the envelopes out. But there go the sirens in the background, so I'll take that as the cue to end the video. If you enjoyed this short little film. I would love for you to give it a thumbs up and just comment down below what you think. Till next time, bye bye!